If you are tired of trying side hustles that don't actually work, or hearing people tell you to sell on Fiverr for the 100th time, in today's video, I am sharing 5 money-making ideas that are super underrated, that don't need a big audience and can actually bring in cash fast. And I have tested a ton of these over the years, and these are the ones people are seeing real results with and quickly too. And here's what most people don't realize. A lot of side hustles sound good on paper, but they tap out at $50 here, $100 there, and then it's like crickets. If you want to build wealth, even just a little at a time, you need a side hustle that gives you some kind of leverage. And that could be using a platform that does the heavy lifting for you, or building a digital product once and selling it over and over. So these 5 give you that kind of edge, and no, you don't need to be internet famous. Reflex app. Now this one surprised me, and Reflex is basically a way to make quick cash by picking up retail shifts, like working a few hours at a brand like Skechers or like Fossil, and you just open the app, you see what's available near you, and you pick the shifts that you want. What's best about this is that there's no long-term commitment, and you usually get paid the next business day. So it's like money on demand. And if you're okay in working in person, this is super flexible. And this is great if you are a stay-at-home mom who wants to take a few hours a week to make some extra money, or maybe you're in between jobs and you need to make money but don't want to commit to the wrong career. The next one is YouTube and AI affiliate reviews. Now, this isn't about becoming a YouTuber or chasing views. It's about reviewing trending AI tools like Jasper, Notion AI, Sanebox, whatever's hot and useful, and adding your affiliate links. People are searching for this stuff every single day. And if your video helps them decide what to use, you will start earning commissions. And it's like being a mini tech guy for the AI curious crowd. And the best part is free to start. You just create one helpful long form video each week. Then you post 2 to 3 YouTube shorts around it to boost visibility. If you do that consistently, and before you even realize it, your channel can start growing like crazy, especially right now with how fast AI tools are evolving and trending. I have a friend of mine, her name is Julia, and she did this on her channel. Before that, she was talking about copywriting and blogging. She switched it to AI, and her channel is blowing up because AI right now is trending. At any given moment, if you could talk about a trending topic and combine that with affiliate links somehow, you will make money, even if your channel is new. This is one of the best ways right now that you can start a YouTube channel that only takes a few hours a week, start creating videos, and when you least suspect it, the money's gonna start rolling in. I guarantee it will work. The next one is Amazon reviews, and this is one of my favorite ways to make passive income online. All I do is review products that I already own and love, from my computer to my washing detergent to my son's favorite book. And if somebody watches the review and buys the product, Amazon pays me. It's that simple. And in 2024 alone, I personally earned $33,000 doing Amazon reviews. And this isn't my full-time job. It's a perfect side hustle if you want to make extra money without showing your face, posting on social media, or dumping a lot of time into a new business. You're basically helping people shop smarter and getting rewarded for it. So if you want to learn more, comment info and I will send you all the details. Canva wedding templates on Etsy plus Pinterest. Now, if you enjoy design or even just know your way around Canva, you could actually create beautiful wedding templates like signs, invites, table numbers, all that good stuff. Then list them on Etsy and use Pinterest to drive traffic. Now, the best part is that Pinterest is one of the few platforms where your content lives for months. So you could literally pin it and forget it and still get sales. And I love Etsy for beginners because it already has built-in traffic. You don't need an audience, and you don't have to actually spend money trying to acquire customers like you would in your own website. And wedding templates do really well on Etsy, and they have amazing margins. Brides tend to buy matching sets. So you could bundle, you could do upsells, and you could increase your order value without extra work. And it's honestly one of the easiest ways to get started selling digital products without getting overwhelmed. Notary signing agent. Now, this one is very underrated. And if you're open to getting certified, you could earn $75 to $200 or more per appointment, helping people notarize loan documents. And you meet clients at their homes, coffee shops, or wherever is convenient. And the pay adds up fast. It's super flexible. And once you're set, it feels more like a high-paying freelance than a typical gig. I actually have a friend who works only Fridays and Saturdays doing notary signings for real estate agents, and he clears over $2,000 a week. So yeah, if you want something low-key but legit, this is a side hustle worth looking into. Quick reminder, if the Amazon reviews hustle sounds like your vibe, just comment info and I will send you all the details. And if you know of a low cost or low commitment side hustle that more people should know about, make sure to drop it in the comments below. Also, make sure to check out this next video that teaches you how to fully optimize your YouTube videos by using AI. This will be helpful if you're thinking of starting the YouTube channel. See you there.